statistic has prepared its crime analysis for the year 2023, and this year there has been a major decrease of 28.42% in IPC cases that have been registered this year compared to last year. Where last year there were 1073 IPC cases, this year there have been just 768 IPC cases that have been registered. As far as heinous cases are concerned, there has been a major decrease in the number of heinous cases that have been registered this year. When we talk about murder, while there were 9 cases that have been reported this year and all have been worked out. If I talk about the last 5 years, in 2019 there were 19 cases, in 2020 there were 13 cases, 2021 there were 16 cases, 2022 there were 25 cases of murder, and this year just 9 cases and all have been worked out. As far as rape and POCSO cases are concerned, this year there has been slight increase from 32 to 24 rape cases. However, in all the cases, both the victim and the accused are known to each other. In maximum cases, they are elopement, which turn out to be a rape case.